Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use launch control in an Audi RS7. This incredible feature allows your car to achieve its fastest possible acceleration from a complete stop. It works by carefully managing engine revolutions per minute and wheel spin, ensuring maximum grip and power delivery. Remember, launch control is designed for track use or controlled environments, not for everyday driving. It's an exhilarating experience when performed correctly. Before engaging launch control, a few crucial steps are needed to prepare your Audi RS7. First, make sure your engine is fully warmed up to its ideal operating temperature. Next, select the dynamic driving mode using your Audi Drive Select. Then, pull the gear selector back to engage Sport mode for the transmission. Finally, and very importantly, fully deactivate the electronic stability control by holding its button until "Off" appears. Now let's activate the system. With the car stationary, firmly press the brake pedal all the way down using your left foot. Simultaneously, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. You'll notice the engine revolutions per minute will rise and then stabilize, typically between 2,500 and 3,000. A confirmation message, "Launch Control Active," should then appear on your instrument cluster, indicating the system is ready. With launch control active, it's time for the exhilarating part. Quickly and completely release your left foot from the brake pedal. Keep your right foot firmly planted on the accelerator, maintaining full throttle. Your Audi RS7 will then rocket forward with incredible force, minimizing wheel spin for optimal traction. The car's advanced systems will automatically manage the gear shifts, ensuring a seamless and powerful acceleration experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.